Good morning. Welcome to the online session of St.Xavier Convent School, Barnala. I am your math teacher. My name is Amandeep Kaur. Today we start the chapter 4th, class 2nd, subtraction. First is a subtraction without regrouping. There we have 14 subtracted from 45. First is subtraction without regrouping. 14 is subtracted from the 45. First we subtract the digits of ones place. 5 and 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and 1 is placed at the ones place, and 4 minus 5 is equal to 3 and 3 at the tens place. So after subtracting the 14 from 45, we get the answer 31. There is the answer is 31. First we subtract the digits of ones place. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now subtract the digits of tens place. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. After that we get the result, answer is 31. Next example is 65 minus 34. 34 subtracted from 65. First we subtract the digits at the ones place. 5 and 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. After that we subtract the digits at the tens place, 6 and 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Answer is 31. 65 minus 34 is equal to 31. Okay. After that the next topic is subtraction with regrouping. Here we subtract 24 from the 61. We subtract the digits at the ones place. 1 minus 4. 1 is smaller than 4. So we take the borrow from the 6. 1 becomes 11 and 5. After that 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. What we do? First 1 minus 4. 1 is smaller than 4, so we take the borrow from the 6. 1 become 11 and 6 become 5. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. After that we have 5 at the tens place and 2 at the tens place. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So its answer is 37. Subtract the digits of ones place. 1 minus 4. 1 is smaller than 4, so we take the borrow from 6. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Now subtract the digits of tens place. 6 becomes 5 because it gives 1 as a borrow to the 1. Like there. 6 becomes 5 because it gives the 1 borrow to the 1. After that 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So answer is 37. 3 at the tens place and 7 at the ones place. Answer is 37. There is the next example of regrouping. There is a 4 and 7. As we know that 4 is smaller than 7. So we take the borrow from 7. It before becomes 14 and 7 becomes 6. Now 14 minus 7. At the ones place we subtract the 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. After giving one borrow to the 4, 7 becomes 6. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Answer is 37. Again 74 minus 37. At the ones place 4 and 7. 4 is smaller than 7, so we take the borrow from the 7. It becomes 14 and 7 becomes 6. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7 and 6. Because it gives a borrow to the 4, so 7 becomes 6. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Answer is 37. Subtraction with regrouping. First we have example 374 minus 37. 37 subtracted from the 374. First, 4 minus 7. 4 is smaller than 7. So we take the borrow from the 7. It becomes 14 and 7 becomes 6. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7 and 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 and this 3 as it is. So answer is 337. First, subtract the digits of ones place. 4 minus 7. As we know that 4 is smaller than 7. So we take the borrow from the tens place digit 7. It becomes 14 and it becomes 6. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 is at it as it is because there is no any value at the hundreds place. So there at the hundreds place we don't have any value, so we assume there is 0. So we know that when we subtract 0 from any number, then we get the result number itself. So 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Next is 3-digit number subtracted from the 3-digit number. There we have at the tens place 0 and 5. 0 is smaller than 5. So we take the borrow from this 5. So 0 becomes 10. 5 becomes 4. 0 is smaller than 5. So 10 minus 5 and 5 give the borrow to the 0. So 5 becomes 4. First we subtract the digits at the ones place. 10 minus 5. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. After that we subtract the digits at the tens place. There we have 4 and 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And now subtract the digits at the hundreds place. 9 and 2. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So after subtracting the 235 from the 950, we get the result 715. How to check subtraction is correct or not? We take the example like we have 74 and 37. 37 subtracted from the 74. As we know that 4 is smaller than 7. So we take the borrow from 7. It becomes 14 and it becomes 6. First we subtract the digits at the ones place. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. And now subtract the digits at the tens place. 7 minus 3. 7 becomes 6 because it gives as a borrow 1 to the 4. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So our result is 73. Now how do we check the subtraction is correct or not? We add our result into this number. After adding both number we get this number. If we get this number then our subtraction is correct. Now we subtract 37, this 37 and this 37. For correction we add these both 37. Our answer and the subtraction digit 37 and 37. First we add the digits at the ones place. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. So we write this and 1 is taken as a carry on the tens place digit. At the tens place we have 3, 3 and 1. Now we add 3 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So our answer is 74. This 74 and this 74 is equal to each other. So our correction is okay. First we subtract the digits of ones place. 4 minus 7, 4 is less than 7, so we take the borrow from the 7. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. After that 7 becomes 6 because it gives 1 as a borrow to the 4. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So answer is 37. After correction we add the answers 37 and 37 and we get the answer 74. So our correction is okay. Last is number story. In a class there are 89 children. If 68 are girls, how many are boys? As we know that in a school total number of children are 89 and the number of girls are 68. After subtraction, subtract the number of girls from the children of school, then we get the number of boys. So 89 minus 68. 89, 68. These are total students and these are girls. After subtracting the girls from the total, we get the number of boys. 9 minus 8. At the ones place we have 9 and 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. After that we subtract the digits at the tens place. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So boys in the schools are 21. Total children are 89, girls are 68. After subtracting the 68 from 89, we get 21 boys in the school. Thank you so much to listening me. I will upload the work in your WhatsApp group. Please complete your work on time. Thank you.